Okay, welcome back to JTT Math Easier. The topic we'll be covering is Calculus 2, inverse trig functions. So here are the three most common inverse trig functions you will have to know. They're used a lot during test time and on homework a lot, so just memorize them. The most common one, for at least for me to memorize, was arctan because it's the one that has addition compared to the other two that don't. And arcsin has just A and U, while arcsecant has two U's and one A. Okay, so this is the first question or example I'm going to be showing to you guys. So we have this, and usually what I like to do is I like to look at the formula first. If you guys memorize it, good. Memorize it. It's going to be very essential. And we're going to get this formula that was shown about a minute ago, and it's going to ask you, so you're going to find which one fits the best. Sometimes some of them won't fit exactly the correct mold of the formula, so you're going to have to do some adjustment, and I'll show you that in other videos. But for this one, it's kind of straightforward. So what I like to first do is label my U and my A. So we have U squared and A squared. So I know we have this 2 in front, but these two could just move up front. So we could just, if you want to, we could just rewrite the integral again. And we could just put 1/2 out. We could put a dx here if you guys like to have something there. Minus 4x squared over the square root, like that. Now, actually I'm not going to do U squared. Actually, I want to do it. I'm sorry. Our U is 4x squared. Let's make just our regular U 2x. And our A squared is 3. Usually in the beginning of the first examples, they'll give you nice square, like whole numbers, so there's probably be a 9 instead of a 3. But they're trying to trick you. So what I'll do is go 3 to the square, to the power, and then A will obviously just be 3. So that's the best way to, I'm sorry, I just realized you guys probably can't see it. So that's the best way to do this one, because this will kind of, it's not that bad, but it does get a little bit complicated. So I would just do it like this, put it to the second power. After you put it to the second power, I would just go down the powers. So since we know that, we could just assume that this beautiful thing is arcsin. Sorry, arcsin. So it's U over A plus C. So I will go arc sine. My U is 2x, and my A is the square root of 3 plus C. Please do not forget to add your plus C, because plus C tells that this is that is needed, because obviously we don't have no endpoints here. Here will be, we have, no endpoints. Here will be a number, and here will be a number. But since they do not have any endpoints, we have to add plus C. Teachers do take off for this. My professor took off at least a point and a half. I know some professors will actually give it the whole thing wrong, because technically your answer would be wrong if you don't add plus C. So just don't forget that. And that's all. And then the other videos, I'm talking about different methods, like completing the square, integration by parts. Well, I'm sorry, it's completing the square. Okay, thank you. Bye.